There you go. Amazing OPM music.
Mabuhay ang OPM. Mabuhay ang OPM.
Mabuhay talaga.
Yeah.
Pero you know what, Jaya? We heard meron ka daw several shows.
Yes, I will be going to the United States on November 5 and 6. Cache Creek with Randy Santiago and Miss Elizabeth Ramsey. On November 12 with Elizabeth Ramsey naman in Maui. And also on November 14, Honolulu, Hawaii. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Vicky Bello, D-Squared, Eyewear, Cosmo Nail, Steve McGunn, Fresh Look Contact Lenses through J. Venus Optical in Shangri-La Mall, Optical Works, and thank you.
You're gonna be gone.
There you go.
Miss Jaya, pasalubong namin pasalubong namin ni Gina.
Ano ba, Macadamia nuts?
Marami yan. Of course, first we'd like to congratulate Mr. Augie Alcacid for your Gold Record Award.
Thank you very
I'm sure marami po kayong gustong pasalamatan.
Go ahead.
Siyempre, gusto kong pasalamatan. Ayan ang boss namin. Hello, Boss Kat. Would you like to congratulate me?
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm here to give this long overdue Gold Record Award to Augie, selling more than 10,000 units of his album, a tribute to George Concepcion. Congratulations, Augie.
Wow.
Actually, ma'am, congratulations sa atin, di ba? Congratulations sa Universal Records. You know what? I wanna thank everybody. Yung mga nagpupunta sa mall shows, the Oginians, the Overanians, the Babanians, the Augie's Angels.
Madami kang fans,
I'm sorry, madami.
Wow.
But most of all, I really want to thank the Filipino people because this is a true testament that original Filipino, original Pinoy music is alive. Tayo yung mga Pilipino, we love our Pinoy music. So thank you so much for, continuing that support to our beloved music industry. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Pumili pa kayo ng Pinoy music. It's the best.
Very well said.
Congrats, pare.
Ay, salamat. Sa
Panalo.
Siyempre sa Party Pilipinas, maraming salamat. Of course, to my one and only sweetheart for inspiring me all the time.
Naku!
Ikaw ang aking gold record.
Mariosep!
Ayan. Ayan, para nagiging platinum na. Ayan.
Yes.
Ma'am, thank
And
you.
talagang this just proves na buhay na naman talaga ang Philippine music industry. And of course, ang daming mga bagong bands na tayong of course here sa Party Pilipinas with their original music. Congrats sa Evie, di ba, Miss Reg? Evie.
Yeah.
Am I pronouncing that right? Evie?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
right.
Yung mga banda na nag-perform kanina, yung Evie, of course, Tanya Markova, Day Story, and of course, to all of them, congratulations. Get a copy of their albums. Supportahan natin ng sariling atin.
Tama. And speaking of supporting our very own, syempre si Jenlyn may bago ring offer na sa mga
Go for it, Jen. Invite lahat ng mga kapuso.
Yung mga hindi pa po nakakabili ng Love Is, Genuine Love Is, yung aking bagong album, please grab a copy. Available na po siya sa lahat ng record bars nationwide. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Adahar, at Pin Antonio. Thank
Love
you.
Is?
Love Is.
Ay, alam ko yung Love Is mo eh.
May sagot ka na naman.
Love Is
Alright, thank you
Dr.
guys.
Vicky Bello.
Dr. Vicky Bello, thank you. M. Louillier, thank you very much. And of course, D-Squared.
Alright.
Thank you.
When we return, mga kapuso, the celebration is not yet over until we have our signature all-star finale number.
Huwag kayong alis! Okay.
Zagu,
Bibi Stuffed Breads,
Master Shomai,
Whimsky Enterprise, Needs Balot sa Dahon,
Scramble King,
Happy House Donuts, King Sue,
RL Lapid's Chicharon,
Living Water,
Pansin ang mga performers na magpapakita sa inyo kung paano mag-party sa susunod na linggo.
Shot, I know you be hearing this and that from here and there, but please trust and believe, little mama. I see you gon' ride for me, so I'ma die for you. Is you with me? I got your back. But let's get it. But when it's all so when it's all I promise I will never check what you call me.
Party Pilipinas, lilipad na sa susunod na linggo. Enjoy your trip!
Ano? Si Mel, makikipag one-on-one sa isang taong nakikipagtalik sa patay? Ano naman to? Susi. Tsaka, Doraemon. Ah, alam ko na, yung bahay na door-to-door at yung Doraemon Collection. Yan, dalawang pumatok na finiture ng Mel and Joey na babalikan natin. Ngayong